These days, as devices play a bigger role in our children's lives, we're all trying to define boundaries for device use because they don't do a great job of defining them on their own. You'd probably feel a lot better about the time your children spent on their devices if you could ensure their screen time was productive and educational. Well, now there is a way. Lock to Learn is a new app that periodically requires your child to answer grade-specific questions from subjects like math and English while they're using their devices. The app is simple. Set up a profile for each child in your home. Select the grade level, frequency you want them to be quizzed, and the number of questions you want your child to answer correctly before they can return to their device activities. No matter how your kids are using their devices, Lock to Learn will encourage learning and productivity. With Lock to Learn, you can feel good about the screen time you allow your children, even if the only way they show you any attention is still through text. Lock to Learn. Play smart.